Okay, just arrived at the beautiful park here and gonna go for a little run, do some activities, check things out, feed the chickens and the roosters, enjoy the day because it's beautiful. It's not too sunny and why not? I've had enough carbs, so let's burn. All right, so we got the drone here doing a 360 shot around the park. Get some fresh air, do a little stretching before the run. I love coming here. It just resets my nervous system. Okay, made it to the trail. So I like to really pay attention to the way that I'm running and my form. Lately, it's been very important to me that I keep myself injury free. So what I like to do is keep my inside ankle bone high so that I can land on the outside of my knee, creating like the bow of like a bow and arrow. You want to bow your legs out instead of have your knees cave in so that you have a safe landing spot. I can go more into that in another video if you guys like, so let me know. Another question that I get a lot is how did I know? How did I know that sugar was gonna help me? How did I know that sugar was the answer? How did I know that sugar was gonna change my life? And in reality, when I first had that sip of like coconut sugar and lemonade, which I had 8 tablespoons of sugar, and I was like, oh no, this seems like a lot. I remember being in my kitchen and I had a sip and I just thought, whoa, like this is the best thing I've had in such a long time that I can't stop. Like this is something that I'm going to have to continue doing because I finally feel like I want to do something with my day instead of just dragging ass. Make sure to carb up, guys.
Oh no, here they come running. Why did the chicken cross the road?
I guess I treated sugar and this like sugary lemonade drink when I first had it as a like energy drink. I thought, okay, I can only have this sugar drink when I need to do something at work or when I want to go work out, because if I have this like sugar at night, then it's going to make me crazy and I'm going to stay up all night and it's going to make me all wired. So in the beginning, I thought of it really as like a Monster or like a Red Bull. But then a few weeks went by and I used it all day, and then I was still having coffee at this time, you have to remember. So it wasn't like I had sugar and then I quit all of my bad habits, or I had sugar and then all of a sudden I got this message from the ether that I need to, get rid of salt and get rid of coffee and get rid of meat and get rid of cheese and milk. And it wasn't like I just got this perfect message. It's that I finally was being able to relax and think clearly, and because I could relax and think clearly, then I could properly find some people on YouTube and find some people online that were following sugar. And they gave me the reinforcement and they gave me the encouragement to keep going, because I was also very sugar phobic. Even though I smashed candy and I loved it, I was still sugar phobic.
To get some carbs. Carb up, everybody.
Lots of carbs for everybody.
Why are you guys obsessed with food? Why is everybody so obsessed with food? You must be starving. Make sure to eat, but not too much, all right? It's gonna spike your blood sugars. These guys will eat to satisfaction.
Oh boy.
Everybody, welcome. We got the turkeys. Look at that, how beautiful they are. Yeah, give some to the turkeys. All right, sir.
Boy.
So look at nature, guys. Are they calorie restricting? They eat until they can't no more.
A helpful hand reached out to me and gave me the correct advice and inspired me to take my life back into my own hands, and inspired me to carb up, have some sugar, and start living my life with purpose. So that's why I'm here. I hope that I can be your helping hand. I hope that I can inspire you, and I hope that I can show you that there's a way out, and it's with sugar. I really like this bird's eye view shot. It's a really cool spot for the drone. I'm doing some squatting here at the end of my run. It feels really good. So thank you guys for being here. Let me know if you like more of the drone shots, and I'll get out in the park more and do that. See you in the next one.